Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. So SEI broke above this trend line. We talked about this trend line in the last video. I think when I made the last update yesterday, a couple of days ago, we were just hovering below this descending trend line. So the market made a push above it. That could indicate that we've indeed bottomed as per the yellow scenario. We're in a bottoming process for sure. But if we've bottomed, it's only a diagonal. Okay, it is what it is. And in this scenario, we only have 3 waves up so far. As you know, we need 5 to really confidently say that we've bottomed. The parameters defined here show what the yellow count, which indicates we could have bottomed, what the yellow count needs to accomplish. And in the yellow count, but that's nothing new, we talked about that in the last video, but the fact that we've now reached that upside target area between 65.9 cents and 73.9 cents allowed me to add a support zone here between 52.9 and 58 cents for a wave 4, should it start from here, okay? So now we have to be ready that wave 4 could start from here, and then a wave 5 should reach basically 74 cents plus. That's needed, yeah, I need to see 5 waves up to basically, yeah, confirm that we've bottomed in this B wave pullback. Quick overview here, the idea was that we had a 3-wave rally into the February highs, 3-wave pullback in what would be a B wave, and then we could look at a C wave rally next, which might actually reach $4.50. Be careful with those moon counts, but it's a projection. If the assumption is correct, we might get there as long as the conditions remain favorable. First of all, however, we need to consider, or let's say observe, if the price has indeed bottomed. Because if it has, then we need to see 5 waves up to 74 cents or higher. So this 1.618 extension level needs to be surpassed in 5 waves. Then we can watch for the next 3-wave pullback afterwards, and that could be the next opportunity for a pullback entry point. For now, the risk remains that we go down lower, but then this wave 4 is a little too high to be reliable, but not too high to be valid. So as you know, it is a bottoming process. It's not like the price gets somewhere and then we say, okay, we've bottomed now. You see, it's still holding, if I add a resistance area here, it's still holding above the 61.8 retracement. That's within an ending diagonal, still a relevant level, and that's at 68 cents. So that's the next micro resistance level. And yeah, I mean, ideally, if we zoom in again for a 3rd wave, it's reached the area between the 1.236 and the 1.38 extension of waves 1, 2. So yeah, this 1-2 setup extension, and that's the bare minimum. I mean, ideally it stretches to the 1.38 extension, maybe one more push higher, and that I would be extremely happy. Okay, just because this is sort of the first ideal target for a 3rd wave, but it's already done the minimum. Okay, so that means basically if a wave 4 pullback starts from here, it needs to hold 52.9 cents. Ideally, it doesn't even break below 55.4. That's the 50% retracement. And then the 5th wave should start. So that's sort of the bullish roadmap. And then if we get another low, then this would be not confirmed, but it would become more likely with a break below 52.9 cents. Then we will have support around 41.7 cents. Probably because it would be a 5th wave down of wave C of B in the white count. We should, however, see the price go below the 3rd wave, which bottomed here on Saturday the 13th. So we'll possibly target 31.5 cents next, 50% retracement. But for now, we give it the benefit of the doubt, especially, so the bulls, especially because it broke above the trend line and is now holding above micro support. So whenever I'm able to add a micro support area, yeah, we can look at higher as long as this is holding. Obviously still very fragile still, right? So yeah, but it's looking okay at the moment. So that's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.